out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. Every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? Such drama queen, such a drama queen. And I wish there was a song that I could make that would make you strong. 'Cause I'm tired of feeling low and sad and depressed. I gotta move on. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Yum, 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 yum.
Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing, nothing. Running, scared, screaming at the top of my lungs. In my many minds, my heart doesn't always agree. What I'm thinking inside, think about it. Your gut can lie. And when you're hungry, but it hurts to eat, do you actually wanna die? No matter how bad it tastes, I want it. Here's a metaphor for my life. I'm eating McDonald's to get healthy. Tell me how that makes sense.
Vamos, Rey. Ginawa pala talaga si Wamos.